how to buy a new body, how to get a completely new body. I mean, because of the way things are at the moment, um, advance in cosmetic surgery these days has made it possible for a person to go and get a new body from head to toe. You know, if you're fed up with those bags and sacks, you can buy yourself a head to toe body transformation, courtesy of recent advances in cosmetic surgery. Almost anything is possible to enhance your physical appearance and buy back your long departed youthful looks. A new you won't be cheap, though, and there are other important health considerations to take into account before taking the plunge. You can look for personal referrals, surgeons' expertise and credentials. You can look for testimonials from patients and examples of the surgeon's work. But I have seen that it can be done if you've got money, enough money to pay for all the cosmetics that will be done. If you're not afraid to go under the knife, you can have your body transformed, call it within 2 months or 3 months. Of course, it's not all going to be done in one day. Some will be done, you know, and then you get better, and then something else will be done again, and then you get better, and something else will be done again. Of course, I like my body, so um, I'm not going to be transforming my body, but it's a good subject to talk about. It's possible to transform your body from head to toe. ah, I will leave it now, and if you have any questions, it involves quite a few things. Interview several surgeons and ask how many procedures similar to yours each has performed. Choose a surgeon who is a member of the British Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons, and choose a member who have completed 6 years of specialist training. Choose a surgeon who is ask to see living examples of the surgeon's work, not just photographs in book. Ask to be introduced to satisfied patients. But frank talk with all former patients is valuable. Ask to see living examples of surgeons' work. Consider rushed consultation a red flag. If a surgeon doesn't thoroughly advise you on possible side effects, potential problems, and how much discomfort or disability you can expect, you aren't getting what you need to have. You need to have to give informed consent to surgery, which is your right. I mean, this is a huge procedure. You can actually end up with a deformity if something goes wrong. So, confirm exactly what the quoted prices cover. Since some plastic surgeons offices quote the surgeon's fee separately, you might need to factor in other costly items like the consultation, anesthesia, supplies, medication, facility fees, hospitalization, and compression garments, and blood testing. But it can be done if you've got the dosh. Ah, take facelift. A facelift cannot stop aging, nor can it turn back the clock. What it can do is help your face. It will help your face look best and give you a healthier, more youthful look. I could do with a facelift, but I'm not having one. Oh, recovery usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Insurance does not cover surgery that is done purely for cosmetic reasons. So you need to check who you are insured with before you go for a facelift. Unless, of course, you are particularly insured for cosmetics reasons, then it's a different kettle of fish. Well, you need to weigh the pros and cons, all the pros and cons, before you go and dive into having all these knives digging into you while you're sleeping. You know, because you could wake up and find that something else has been done, and you've ended up with tissue scars or a face looking worse than what yours was yourself. Hmm. It's good. I mean, it's good if you've got the money and you want to spend it on a facelift. But like I said, look for the best surgeon to do the facelift. Okay, though. Have a good day. That's my little bit again for today.